Guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today we are going to continue with this creating the space in the hub for this real project. So we were in the last tutorials we were in the first floor and we had completed for this south side office. So today we are going to continue from this north side offices, okay, and then we will create the system. So let us start now. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, if anyone is still not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification of that video. So let us start now. Let me open this app software. Okay, so you can go to the space and you can see I have created so many spaces for the ground floor as well as first floor. So in the first floor, we have completed, I think, here accounts and procurement office. So let us check here. This is the first floor. Okay. So account already created here the account. So go to now I start from the procurement office. So let us duplicate this. Select account office and duplicate this. Okay, and then you have to rename this, which is procurement. Okay, and just calculate the area. So you can see here the gross area. You need to calculate the gross area, which is here 5.8 by 4.3. So let me calculate this. 5.8 by 4.3, which is 24.94 square meter. So just enter here in the floor area 24.94 square meter. Okay, and the ceiling height will be same, which is 4 meter, and this is office. So your outdoor air ventilation requirement should be same, because this is the office. And the internals, then go to the internal tabs. So in the internal tabs, you just enter your number of people, so which will be taken from the furniture layouts. So now we need to open the furniture layout. Go to the you go to your project, and here you can see the furniture layout. So just open this. Okay, so you can see here this is your procurement office, and in this you can just calculate the number of chairs which is here. Total 5 chairs are here, so you can enter the number of people is 5. Okay, so 2 and 3 5, just enter here 5 people. And then go to the wall and windows tabs. So in this tab you have to select the exposure, which is only north exposure. Okay, so this one not used. And then go to the north exposure, which is the width is 4.3 by 4. So 4.3 by height will be 4, so 17.2. 17.2, and there is only one window which is ZL2. Okay, and then go to the roof and skylight, and then floor. So your floor is above condition space, so select the first option. Okay, and there is partition tabs. So in the partition tabs it will be 0. The area will be 0. Why? Because wall and floor there is no partition, so it will be same 0, and click OK. Okay, so this is the over, and now next is transport and logistic office. So select this, go to the procurement office and just duplicate this. Transport and logistic. So first floor, transport plus logistic. Okay. Okay, and the area will be floor area. So just calculate the full floor area, which is 4.7 by 5.8. So 4.7 by 5.8. which will be 27.26 square meter. So just enter here in the floor area 27.26. Ceiling height will be same, and this is the office. So again select the office space. Then go to the internals, and internals you have to enter the number of people which will be taken from furniture layout. So go to the furniture layout drawing, and you can count the number of chairs. So here there are four people, so just enter here number of people is four, and then go to the wall and window which is north exposure. So there is north exposure wall is exposed, this wall is exposed outside. So the width of the wall is 4.7, and the height is 4 meter, which will be 18.8 square meter. So enter the gross area of the wall, so 18.8. And there is one window which is GL2, so select the windows here GL2 and enter the quantities. Then go to the roof and skylight, so select the horizontal roof which will be 27.3, so 27.3 here. And then go to the floors and select the first option which is floor above condition space, so there is no inputs required here. And then partition is nothing, so click OK. Next is your marketing office. So again go here and duplicate this transport and logistic office, and simply rename this and make it marketing. Okay, so marketing office, and the width and height will be 4.7 area. So area will be 4.7 by 5.8, which will be 27.26. So I think this is almost same, 27.26. Okay, and height is same, ceiling height and office space. So select the office space here, then go to the internals and enter the number of people from furniture layout. So just go to the furniture layout plan, and here you can see the marketing office. So in the marketing office you can see here there are six chairs available, so you can enter the number of people is six. And then go to the walls and windows, and there is, you can see there is north exposed wall. So 4.7 before, just calculate the gross area, which will be 18.8. So here is same, and there is one window which is ZL2. You can see here ZL2. So there is no changes here. And then go to the roof and skylight. So roof and skylight, there is horizontal roof. The roof gross area is 27.6. Okay, then go to the floor. So your floor is above condition space, and there is no partition here. So just click OK and save this. Okay. Now you have to go to this ladies toilets. So ladies toilet is here. So ladies toilet, we have to calculate this area only, because the air conditioning will be only for this area. In this area there will be ventilation. So go to the ladies toilet, just marketing office, duplicate this and rename this, which is ladies toilet. Ladies toilet, and area is you can check it with the DLI command, dimension linear. So select from here to here, which is 4.7, and from here to here, which is 2 meter. So 4.7 by 2, the area will be 9.4 square meters. So here is 9.4, and height is 4 meter. And here you can select, do not select anything, user defined, leave it, because this is the toilet and we are providing the treated fresh air as outside air for the ventilation purpose, so there is no outdoor air requirement here. This air will be act as outdoor air, and internals, in the internals number of people will be zero, because all the time there will no people and lighting load, electrical load will be same. And exposure, you can see there is no exposure. We will treat this wall as a partition, so you can select this will be not used, and here is also none. And then go to the roof and skylight. So horizontal roof, and the area is 9.4, and then go to the floor. So your floor is above condition space and partition, there will be wall partition. So this wall is select this wall from here to here. Okay, 4.7 by 4. This will be your partition. 18.8. Your partition will be here 18.8. Okay, and then ambient temperature you can change, which will be 46. And this unconditioned space maximum temperature will be less than 5 degree from the ambient, which will be 41. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so here is I think why it is like this. Ladies toilet, here you can select none. Now click OK. Save this. Okay, now there is one toilet is balanced, which is gents toilet. So in the gents toilet we also select the same 4.5 by this area. So let me check this from this wall until this wall. Okay, 3.9. So this is the gents toilet. Just select ladies toilet and duplicate this, and make it here gents toilet. Gents toilet, and the area is 4.5 by, from here to here, which is 3.9, 3.8. Okay, so 4.5 by 3.8, which will be 17.1. So here is 17.1, and this is user defined. Number of people will be 0. Wall and exposure, there is no exposed wall, and roof and skylight is 17.1. Okay, so here is 17.1, and floor is above condition space, and there is partition which is 4.5 by 4 meter, 4.5 by 4 meter, which is 18 square meter. So here is 18. Now click OK. Just save this. Okay, so we have calculated up to here. So in the next tutorials we have to continue from this store pantry admin and secretary advisor and all. So I hope you guys learn how to create this space, creating the space in the app. So in the next tutorials I hope we will continue and we'll finish this creating the space. And then from the next onwards we have to continue, we will create the system. So don't forget to watch my next tutorials, because next tutorials will be very important, which will be system, and after that we will generate the report. Okay, so from that report we can only select the AC type and the AC. So AC equipment selection will be done from the report only. So don't forget to watch my next tutorials. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys learn from this video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.